Hello and welcome to another episode of Historically Marked. I am Jason, and this is a special Route 66 episode. And here I am out in the New Mexico desert. I'm about probably 10 miles from Los Lunas. I'm west of there, and I'm about 25 miles from Interstate 40. But the reason I'm doing an episode here is because I am literally standing on an abandoned stretch of Route 66. What they call the pre-1937 alignment, or the Los Lunas Santa Fe alignment. So I'm going to go ahead and give you some shots here. Here we go. Now that over there where that truck is, that is New Mexico Highway 6. And it looks like there are some people here. I know there's at least one YouTuber that has done a video here, but he used drones. Unfortunately, I don't use drones. And now I'm reaching something that looks to be a painting. Oh yes, somebody did spray paint Route 66. I don't know if it was Roman Rich or somebody else, or maybe some local. But it is not safe for anybody to drive on this. Now, right now, it looks kind of clear, but as you get further that way, there are more weeds, and the road is just very hard to drive on. And I don't really recommend it. People have done it anyway, but if you do drive on it, you're going to end up in a big ditch. So, I mean, it's going to be hard to turn around and go back on here, but, you know, don't say I didn't warn you. And unfortunately, I'm kind of trespassing on Laguna lands, but getting a nice look at the scenery. 360. And as you probably know by now, there is no historical marker here. I think the New Mexico Historic Preservation group should put a marker here, but of course, I guess they're probably afraid that they'll encourage people to trespass, but too little too late on that one, I guess. So I know you can't really see it from far away, but Route 6, which is very well paved as of now, 2021, it curves just like that, but I believe that it started right here, and then it just kind of curved again. Now this is about a 1 mile stretch, and again, you can't drive on it. It is what it is. It was neglected, and of course, ghost remains are here. Alright, so just to give you guys a little idea of where I was on Route 66 in New Mexico, starting off with, okay, that's the state of New Mexico, zooming in on Albuquerque, that's Albuquerque, the Los Lunas Loop, and yes, I'm going to circle around Los Lunas there, go on to, New Mexico State Route 6, which took you all the way back to Interstate 40, or old Route 66, zoom in, and then we go on to that road, the Invisible Road, which is now decayed, where I was. Yep, that is it. All right, switching into a different mode. All right, now you get a little idea, and then we're going to see it fade. Actually, that's where I pulled in to get a little close-up. Yeah, you can't drive on that because, yeah, there's a wash there. Same goes for when you're going westward bound on that Invisible Road. Yep, that's what I'm talking about right there. And then it goes back on to New Mexico State Route 6, and yeah, a little tricky there. All right, thanks so much for tuning into this episode of Historically Marked. I know there was no marker here, but I thought it was worth showing you this abandoned stretch of Route 66. But I am Jason from New Mexico, signing off.